Hello friend, welcome my channel. Welcome my channel. I am Robin Mukherjee, civil engineering pass out 1986. Work experience above 30 years. Daily I discuss civil engineering execution activities, project and plan related. Today discuss environment and environment and ecology unit 3. Environment and ecology unit 3. Master Unit 3 of Environment and Ecology with this complete guide. Master Unit 3 of Environment and Ecology with this complete guide. Clear exam oriented notes for environment and ecology. This is the clear exam oriented notes for environment and ecology unit 3, commonly used in EVS, environmental studies. Syllabus in India, school, diploma, and many university courses. The clear exam oriented notes for Environment and Ecology Unit 3, commonly used in EVS, environmental studies. Syllabus in India, school, diploma, and many university courses. Environment and Ecology Unit 3. Environment and Ecology Unit 3. Biodiversity and conservation of natural resources. Biodiversity and conservation of natural resources. Number one, biodiversity. Biodiversity. Meaning, biodiversity refers to the variety and variability of living organism on Earth and the ecological complex of which they are part. Number one, biodiversity, meaning biodiversity refers to the variety and variability of living organisms on Earth and the ecological complex of which they are part. Levels of levels of biodiversity. Number one, genetic diversity, variation within a species, species, variation within a species. Example, different varieties of rice wheat. Example, different varieties of rice wheat. Number two, species diversity. Species diversity. Variety of species in a region. Variety of species in a region. Example, plants, animal, microorganisms. Plant, example, plants, animals, microorganism. Organization. Number three, ecosystem diversity. Ecosystem diversity. Variety of ecosystem. Variety of ecosystems. Example, forest, grassland, desert, wetlands. Variety of ecosystems. Example, forest, grassland, desert, wetlands. Number two, importance of biodiversity. Importance of biodiversity. Ecological importance. Ecological importance. Maintains ecological balance. Maintain ecological balance. Pollination, nutrient cycling, climate regulation. Maintains ecological balance, pollination, nutrient cycling, climate regulation. Economic importance. Economic importance. Food, medicine, fuel, fiber. Food, medicine, fuel, fiber. Agriculture, fisheries, forestry. agriculture, fisheries, forestry, social and cultural importance, traditional knowledge, traditional knowledge, religious and cultural values, religious and cultural values, ethical and aesthetic value, right of all species to exist, right of all species to exist, beauty of nature, beauty of nature. Number three, threats of biodiversity, threats of biodiversity. Number one, deforestation, deforestation, habitat destruction, habitat destruction. Number three, over exploitation, over exploitation. Number four, pollution, pollution. Number five, climate change, climate change. Number six, invasive species, invasive species. Number seven, poaching and illegal trade, poaching and illegal trade. Threats of biodiversity. Number one, deforestation. Number two, habitat destruction. Number three, over exploitation. Number four, pollution. Number five, climate change. Number six, invasive species. Number seven, poaching and illegal trade. Number four, conservation of biodiversity, A, in situ conservation, A, in situ conservation in natural habitat, natural parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves. Examples in India, Jim Corbett National Park, Kaji National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, B, ex situ conservation outside natural habitat, zoos, botanical gardens, seed banks, preservation. Number five, natural resources. Types of natural resources. Number one, renewable resources. Water, forest, wind, solar energy. Renewable resources, water, forest, wind, solar energy. Number two, non-renewable resources, coal, petroleum, natural gas, minerals. Non-renewable resources, coal, petroleum, natural gas, minerals. Number six, forest resources, Important, important. Oxygen production. Climate control. Soil conservation. Wildlife habitat. Causes of deforestation, causes of deforestation. Agriculture, agriculture, urbanization, mining, industrialization. Causes of deforestation, agriculture, urbanization, mining, industrialization. Effects, loss of biodiversity, soil erosion, climate change. Effect, loss of biodiversity, soil erosion, climate change. Number 7, water resources. Uses, drinking, irrigation, industry, power generation. Water resources, uses, drinking, irrigation, industry, power generation. Drinking, irrigation, industry, power generation. Water scarcity, water scarcity, water pollution, over exploitation. Problems, water scarcity, water pollution, exploitation. Conservation methods. Rainwater harvesting, watershed management, efficient irrigation, sprinkler, deep sprinkler. Number 8, energy resources. Conventional energy, coal, petroleum, natural gas. Conventional energy, coal, petroleum, natural gas. Non-conventional energy, solar, wind, biogas, tidal energy. Non-conventional energy, solar, wind, biogas, tidal energy. Advantage of renewable energy. Pollution free, sustainable, reduces global warming. Advantages of renewable energy. Pollution free, sustainable, reduces global warming. Number 9, role of individuals in conservation. Role of individuals in conservation. Save water and electricity. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Plant trees. Avoid plastic use. Protect wildlife. Number 9, role of individuals in conservation. Save water and electricity. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Plant trees. Avoid plastic use. Protect wildlife. Number 10, key exam short note. Biodiversity hotspot. Endangered species. Endangered species, sustainable development, renewable versus non-renewable resources, in situ and ex situ conservation. Number 10, key exam short notes. Biodiversity hotspot, endangered endangered species, sustainable development, renewable versus non-renewable resources, in situ and ex situ conservation, If you want, I can also provide short answer 2 to 5 marks, long answer 10 to 15 marks, MCQs with answers, unit wise PPT notes, simple notes for school level. Just tell me your class and course name. If you want, I can also provide short answers 2 to 5 marks, long answers 10 to 15 marks, MCQs with answer, unit wise PPT notes, simple notes for school level, Just tell me your class or course name. Next video I discuss work measurement techniques. How to implement effective work measurement techniques easily. Effective work measurement techniques easily. All are requested. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. সবাইকে একটাই রিকোয়েস্ট করবো, ভিডিওগুলো স্কিপ করবেন না, স্ক্রল করবেন না, পুরো ভিডিও দেখবেন, দেখলে অনেক কিছু জানতে পারবেন এবং শিখতে পারবেন। বেশি সংখ্যায় শেয়ার করবেন, যাতে বেশি সংখ্যক ভিউয়ার্স এই ভিডিওগুলো থেকে উপকৃত হতে পারে। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। নোটিফিকেশন বেলটিকে অন করে রাখবেন, আমি ভিডিও ছাড়ার সাথে সাথে আপনাদের কাছে নোটিফিকেশন পৌঁছে যাবে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, বাই।